Welcome to Archiesense. Located in a densely populated Riga neighborhood, this 240 square meters family home is a manifesto of contemporary Baltic architecture that combines wood, warmth, and intelligence. Built on a 600 square meters sloping plot, the home was designed for a couple, 3 children, a dog, and their various interests. Striking a balance between privacy and connection, the design reflects Latvia's reserved yet warm character. The building has an angular floor plan with 3 main volumes encased in a double-pitched roof. Inside, the spaces are arranged in a practical and orderly manner to ensure comfort and cost efficiency. The exterior features a simple and elegant box shape, hidden by its own geometry. From the outside, the house appears like a quiet sentinel, providing protection from the surrounding gaze. However, the interior opens up through a triangular terrace surrounded by 8 high V-shaped windows. The terrace becomes an extension of the living space, integrating the outside landscape into the house. With long winters, this visual connection makes the snowy landscape an element that can be enjoyed from the warmth of the indoors.